These are the elevators for Pennsylvania. Case 590's elevators. These are originally Westinghouse Selectomatic elevators, but I bet you before that they were manually operated. Still look up. You can still look in the cabinet. Don't know why that tag's there because both elevators are working. But sadly, they were modernized or just received a slap-on mod with Atom Survivor fixtures. Look at the right elevator. Westinghouse logo from the 60s. We'll go down the 5 basement. Here we go down. I bet you these are the original controllers, yeah. They're 5B. We'll go to 11. Draw those when you press the button, and we go up. These things are very nice and fast. Don't know what D-bar stands for. Maybe drive, because I know there's a garage display. The indicator flickers every time it changes. That's weird. Here at 11, there's also a manually controlled freight elevator, which I'll try to get that one next, but certainly it's not keyed off. I'll go back down to 1. Just your standard laminate cab. Same cabs as the King Edward Mountain Towers, and same kind of Atom slap-on model. That's because they're by the same management company. And also same ceiling. It's rather hot in this elevator. Here, back up